All right, let's keep going. Question number 30 says solve the following equation for x. Identify any extraneous solutions if applicable. Extraneous solutions are solutions that you come to, you've done what seems to be legal algebra, but when you check the final answer back into the original equation, you realize that it actually is not a proper solution. So let's see. We've got the absolute value of 2x plus 12 equals 4x. Because we have the absolute values all by themselves on the left-hand side, what we're going to do is actually split this into two different equations. The first equation is going to be 2x plus 12 equals positive 4x. And then the next one that we're going to consider is 2x plus 12 equals negative 4x. That is the other equation that we want to consider. Because remember, absolute value bars turn things that are negative into positives. So if we're saying the absolute value of 2x plus 12 equals 4x, then it means that 2x plus 12 without the absolute value bars equals 4x or is equal to negative 4x. Now from here, this is just basic algebra 1 kind of stuff. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. I'll get negative 2x plus 12 equals 0. I'll subtract the 12 to the other side. Negative 2x equals negative 12. I'll divide both sides by negative 2 and I get x equals 6. Looks good to me. Over here I'm going to add 4x to both sides. So we get 6x plus 12 equals 0. I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. And I'm going to divide both sides by 6. I have x equals 6 and x equals negative 2. They both look good to me, but let's do the check step. If x is equal to 6 and I plug that back in, I get the absolute value of 2 times 6 plus 12 equals 4 times 6. I want to see if that actually is correct. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. The absolute value of 24 is 24. 4 times 6 is 24. That works. X equals 6 is a solution. Over here, if I do the check step, with x equals negative 2, the absolute value of 2 times negative 12, no, 2 times negative 2 plus 12 equals 4 times negative 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, plus 12 we get 8. The absolute value of 8 is 8. On the right we get 4 times negative 2, which is negative 8. Those two are not equal to each other, so that means that x equals negative 2 is an extraneous solution. How we awarded points. Coming up with x equals 6 got you 1 point. If you solved it and got x equals negative 2, that actually earned you a second point, but the third point came in from showing that x equals negative 2 is extraneous, and that is a grand total of 3 points. Not too bad. Hopefully you earned all 3 points. This I would say is a pretty standard kind of question I'd expect everybody to do really well with.